Hi guys, welcome back to class. Today I'm going to be teaching you volume expansivity. Now, did you know that when water is heated, it expands and increases in volume? Yes, it does. And when it is cooled, it contrasts and decreases in volume. Wow! Did you know this rise in volume when temperature increases is a concept in physics known as volume or cubic expansivity? Yes, it is. The volume or cubic expansivity is the increase in volume per unit volume per degree rise in temperature. So, we have learned that the volume or cubic expansivity is the increase in volume per unit volume per degree in rise in temperature relative to that of the containing vessel, or it is the fractional increase in volume per Kelvin rise in temperature. The formula for calculating volume or cubic expansivity is, of course, V2 minus V1 bracket close divided by V1 theta, where V2 represents the final volume, V1 represents the original volume, and theta represents the temperature rise in Celsius. I'm sure you enjoyed this class. I'll see you in the next one.